golf course. Used to be pretty popular. But I don't see anywhere. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay, it's still at Indian River Plantation. Alright. I couldn't see it the other day when I was through here, so they still got the name. Yesterday for sunrise, but didn't get any sunrise. There's too many clouds. Wanted to go out this morning, but it was too foggy. But looking at the Hutchinson Beach camera, it didn't look too foggy there, so I missed out on that. I'm just going to ride up through here, and there's some beach access points all along through here every so often, so see if I get into one of them. I just passed one of them and it looks like they're pretty packed in there. Not a whole lot of parking. The one I always go to. One of them. And there's no place to park in here. So let's go on to the next one. We may even just go north of Hutchinson Beach. This one's the one I always go into. Yep, this is the one. Probably ain't gonna be any place to park here either. Oh no, we got some spots right over here. Alright, we're good. Secluded beach. I mean, not totally secluded, but it's better than where I was. I'm up in Fort Pierce, well, the bottom end of Fort Pierce, called Middle Cove, right off of A1A here on the island. There's not a whole lot this way. I'm starting to get into houses again, but when I go back south, there's going to be nothing but a power plant. You've got the nuclear plant down here for FP&L. So of course there's not going to be any, residents around it. To be the Holiday Inn. That's where I used to work when it was a Holiday Inn back in the 90s. Now it's a Hutchinson Island resort. But the evolution of that place is just crazy. It's amazing. While it was still a Holiday Inn, hurricane, I guess it was Matthew. One of those in the early 2000s totally ruined the whole place. There was a, there was a two-story kitchen, lower level and the upper level, and the lower level kitchen was completely filled with sand, and water got into the upper level too. The pool out back was totally filled with sand. And it sat vacant, empty for many years until about 6 years ago. They totally renovated the whole place. I mean, there was really nothing left of it but the shell, the building. So they totally renovated it and added on to the front of it on the street side. And added another pool and turned it into what it is today. You would never know there was a hurricane there. Down the Bathtub Reef. literally no beach left. See the reef out there where the breakers are. That's why they call it Bathtub Reef. This whole center here is like a bathtub, but normally really shallow. You can see the beach is gone. That's crazy. This year the beach is out there. That's where the water started right there. This prime spot for alligators and definitely snakes and all. But the water here is kind of brackish, maybe more salt, so I don't know if the gators would be in here or not.
looking. Where'd he go? There he is. Got him a fish. Oh yeah, the manatee. So I'm going to take a ride over to Manatee Cove area there. See if we see any. That's all I'm doing for here.